Welcome to Technobalt, your local partner for material handling. The Technobalt sales and service network cover all of the regions in the Baltics, helping users of conveyors across a wide cross-section of different industries, including mining, quarrying, energy, waste management, and paper industries. We provide a comprehensive total service package of conveyor services and products designed to meet the individual needs of our customers. At Technobalt, we are proud to supply the full Dunlop range of belt constructions, rubber cover combinations, and specialist products. What sets Dunlop apart from the rest is that every single belt has one thing in common. It has been designed to be the toughest, best performing, and longest lasting conveyor belt of its kind in the world. Our highly experienced team of engineers and project managers provide belt installation and splicing services, conveyor design and renovation, as well as conveyor maintenance programs that can range from a single conveyor through to complete maintenance solutions and much, much more. Technobalt is also an official service and distribution partner for Nord Drive Systems in the Baltic States. You can always rely on Technobalt to have the expertise and the solution. Technobalt, always around.